Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum dear educarians. I hope you all are enjoying your winters with your winter packs. I'm here with the third online lesson of class 6 science. Our today's topic is unit number 5. Okay, before starting the lesson, material required is lead pencil, blue marker, blue pen, ruler, along with your science notebook, and you also need your winter packs that has been provided you by the educators. The topic we were discussing about unit number 5, matter and materials. In this we were talking about chapter number 9, changes around us. The contents for today's video: we will have a short review of our previous lesson, then we will do question answers from our winter pack, then we will complete the worksheet on winter packs, and at the end we will rewrite the question answers on our notebooks. By the end of this lesson you will know about the chemical changes, saturated solution and the solubility. Okay, let's have a review of our previous lesson. On page number 100 we have some important definitions. Let's take a look. The very first is reversible change. A change which can be reversed back to the original state is known as reversible change. मतलब ऐसी तब्दीली जो वापस अपनी असली हालत में जा सकती है उसे हम reversible change कहते हैं. Next, irreversible change. A change which cannot be reversed back to the original state is known as an irreversible change. मतलब ऐसी तब्दीली जो वापस अपनी असली हालत में नहीं जा सकती, that is the irreversible change which cannot change it to its original position. Next we have physical change, a change in which no new substance is formed and the substance only undergoes a change in its shape, size, appearance or state is known as physical change. और मतलब इसमें होता है कि just by look जो है वो changings आ जाती हैं, like shape, size and appearance. Next there is chemical change, the change in which new substances are formed with properties that are different from the original substance is known as a chemical change, like cooking of food. Solute, the substance which is added to a liquid is known as solute. मतलब जो solid चीज़ होती है उसे हम solute कहते हैं. The solvent, the liquid to which substances are added is known as the solvent. The liquid portion is the solvent. Solution, the mixture of mixture of solute and solvent is called solution. The homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is known as solution. Solubility, the maximum amount of substance that can be dissolved in 100 millimeters of a liquid at a particular temperature is known as the solubility of the liquid. Like we have the capacity कि हम कितना खा सकते हैं, इसी तरह जो है water की solubility होती है. Next, saturated solution, the solution in which no more solute can be dissolved at any temperature is known as a saturated solution. Okay, now all of you open your winter packs at page number 12. We will start from question number 4, that is define solubility. The answer is the maximum amount of substance that can be dissolved in 100 millimeter of a liquid at a particular temperature is known as the solubility of the liquid. मतलब इतनी amount of substance जो सिर्फ 100 millimeter अपने अंदर dissolve कर सके at any temperature, किसी भी खास temperature पे, that is the solubility of the liquid. Okay, next we will talk about question number 5. What are reversible changes? Give one example at page number 12 of your winter pack. The answer is the changes which can be reversed back to its original state are called reversible changes. For example, freezing of water to ice. मतलब अगर हम water को ice में convert कर सकते, then we can also convert ice into water. So this is the example of reversible change. Question number 6. What are irreversible changes? Give one example. The answer is the changes which cannot be reversed back to its original state, जो अपनी असली हालत में वापस नहीं जा सकती, are called irreversible changes. For example, cooking of food, boiled egg. Like if you boil an egg, you cannot brought it back to its original condition. Okay, next question number 7, that is what is condensation process? क्या होता है condensation process? The process in which vapors convert into liquid is called condensation. Question number 8, what is evaporation process? The process in which liquid convert it into vapors is called evaporation. Question number 9, what is chemical reaction? The process of forming new types of molecule by chemical changes is called chemical reaction. मतलब दो चीज़ों को आपस में मिला के जो न्यू एक चीज़ हमारे पास बनती है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Chemical reaction. Okay students, now all of you open your page number 14 of your winter pack. Here you have topic unit number 5, matter and materials, chapter number 9, changes around us worksheet. So first of all, prepare your page, write down your name, your section name and today's date. We will solve worksheet on your winter packs, page number 14. So all of you take out your blue pen. Question number 1, choose the best option. Number 1, changes around us can be of dash types. कितने types की होती हैं? 2 types. So all of you circle the B option. The correct option is B. Number 2, melting of wax is the example of reversible change, irreversible change, chemical change, or none of these. That is the example of reversible change that can be brought back again. So all of you mark A answer. Number 3, the process of converting liquid into vapors is called dash. It is evaporation. B option is correct. Number 4, every change around us involves energy. Right. C is the answer. 4, in a chemical change, dash, energy is given out, energy is absorbed, energy is neither given out nor absorbed, or none of these. The answer is energy is given out. The A option is correct. So all of you fill your page number 14 with your blue pen. Okay, next we have question number 2, mark T for true and F for false statement. Number 1, heating of substance doesn't cause any change. That is false. Number 2, water helps us to digest our food. Yes, that is true. Number 3, solubility increases as decrease in temperature. No, that is false. Number 4, the intermolecular spaces between the molecules of solvent decreases on heating. False. 5th one, in a solution, water is solvent. Yes, that is true. 6, the solubility of gases in water is the highest. No, false. Number 7, more solute can be dissolved in a solvent when it is cooled. It's false. Okay, next there is question number 3, write the answer of question. There is question number 1, what is saturated solution? The solution in which no more solute can be dissolved and at any temperature is known as saturated solution. मतलब अब उसके अंदर capacity नहीं है कि वो अपने अंदर किसी भी चीज़ को मज़ीद जो है वो dissolve कर सके at any temperature. That is known as the saturated solution. So all of you complete your page number 14. Okay, now is the time to open your notebooks. Prepare your index, write down serial number, date, topic, teacher's signature, parent's signature. As we have done on the very first day, we did unit number 5, chapter number 9, changes around us, question answers 1 till 3. Our today's index will be unit number 5, chapter number 9, changes around us, question answers 4 till 9. So all of you prepare your next pages, write down day, date, today's task, your topic, that is unit number 5, chapter number 9, changes around us. Give heading of short question answer. We will start from question number 4. Define solubility. You have to rewrite this answer by taking help of your winter pack at page number 12 on your notebooks. Then we will do question number 5, that was what are reversible changes, give one example. In the same way you will rewrite this one question. The changes which can be reversed back to its original state are called reversible changes. For example, freezing of water to ice in a very neat handwriting. Coming to next one page, prepare your page, write down today's task, your topic, unit number 5, chapter number 9, changes around us with the marker. Give heading with your marker, short question answers. Question number 6, what are irreversible changes? Give one example. So you will also rewrite this one question by taking help from your winter packs, page number 12. Then question number 7, what is condensation process? Its answer. Then question number 8, what is evaporation process? Its answer. And then question number 9, what is chemical reaction? You will rewrite this one questions, these all questions from winter pack, page number 12 on your notebooks. Okay, now is the time for task to do. As our chapter has been completed, you have to recall important definitions, page number 100 of unit number 9, chapter number 5. Then you will learn short question answers 4 till 9 of unit number 5, chapter number 9. Alright students, as we have completed our unit number 9, so you have to learn all the question answers, your important definitions, your highlighted points, learn everything. Till the next lesson, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.